Yes.
Assalamualaikum Huzur. My name is Nabil Ali Ahmad.
Acha.
Now I am studying at Faculty of Law, and my question is, as a Wakfin, can we join to state politics?
Yes, you can go into politics. Yes, of course. Even if it is possible, you can stand for a parliamentary seat. You can be politician, yes, of course, and try to enter in the National Assembly through politics. If it is possible, if you can go, of course. What do you say? Yes.
Jazakallah Huzur. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Yes.